Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna. I wish you a very happy Eid al-Adha. On this occasion, let's make Gulab Jamun. So first we need to make sugar syrup by adding equal quantities of sugar and water. I'm taking 1 cup each. And then we'll add 3 cardamom pods and 1/8 teaspoon saffron. Now we can mix everything and boil. After sugar dissolves completely, we will boil for a couple of more minutes and then put it aside. Now we'll make jamun by adding 1 cup milk powder and a teaspoon baking powder. We will mix it well, knead it using 1/3 cup water and a tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. And now we'll make 12 1-inch diameter small balls and fry it on medium-low flame until brown and drop it in sugar syrup. For garnishing, we'll take a teaspoon ghee or clarified butter, a tablespoon shredded coconut and fry until it turns light brown and sprinkle. I really hope you'll make it. That concludes today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.